Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your iPhone with Verizon, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your iPhone with Verizon, start by ensuring your iPhone is charged. Power on your iPhone by pressing and holding the power button. If your device is unresponsive, perform a forced restart. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If your iPhone is still not functioning properly, connect it to your computer. Use a lightning cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. Open iTunes if you're using a Windows PC or a Mac with macOS Mojave or earlier. If you have a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, open Finder. Your iPhone should appear in iTunes or Finder as a connected device. Select your iPhone from the list of devices. If prompted, choose to update or restore your iPhone. Choose the Restore option to erase your device and install the latest software. Confirm your choice and wait for the process to complete. After the restoration, set up your iPhone by following the on-screen instructions. Connect to your Wi-Fi network and sign in to your Apple ID. If you have a backup, choose to restore from the backup during setup. If you've lost your iPhone, utilize Verizon's location services. Log into your Verizon account online or through the app to access the location services feature. Enable Find My iPhone if it's not already turned on, to help locate your device in the future. Once your iPhone is set up, test all functions to ensure it's operating correctly. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Verizon's customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.